Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I will be working with Tuftex balloons with their new colors that they released just recently. I've ordered these balloons as they released them and they've been laying in my filming room in the box unopened for quite a while, and it's finally time to pull them out and create something beautiful. I'm excited about these colors because they are super summery, very fresh, very bright, and I cannot wait to see what I can do with them. I want to work with a whole bunch of flowers and shimmer panels. I will talk about my shimmer wall a little bit more throughout this video. If you're interested, keep watching, and everything will be listed and linked in the description under this video. So without any further ado, let's go. We have this pile. It's a beautiful pile of beautiful colors. Let's sort this pile out and let me tell you what colors I got, what sizes, and overall what is going on. So let's start with this first bag. It's Blossom. It's a beautiful looking pastel-ish, not really purple color. This is a 24, 5, 17, another 5, and 11-inch balloons. I got exactly the same amount of balloons in every size in each color. So next color we have Lemonade. Next we have Pixie. Fiona. For the next step, I am just inflating balloons into pairs. Pairs will become quads and clusters, and after that, I will show you how I will build a beautiful setup. So let's inflate, let's check those colors out. I'm excited. Colors are beautiful. Let's inflate the amount that I will need. I will be inflating probably half of the 11-inch balloons, a few 17 and some 24, and probably looks like a whole bunch of 5-inch balloons. Let's go. Bigger size balloons are inflated. Now let's handle our 5-inch balloons. You guys, I don't know why I didn't purchase Legenda sooner, because it's a game changer, especially if you're working with lots of 5-inch balloons and you're inflating lots of them. This is the inflator to go. Why? Because you can put a timer and have a perfectly inflated 5-inch balloon every single time without even worrying if you would overinflate or underinflate. I have a 1.1 timer over here, so you just simply grab your 5-inch, put it on a nozzle, press the button, and it's going to be inflated. After inflation, I am pressing my balloons against the table and tying them into a pair. After I'll inflate a whole bunch of these, I will be making quads of balloons, 2 pairs of balloons combined together. Let's deal with the rest of 5-inch balloons, so we have lots of them. All right, balloons are inflated. It's a little messy right now. Let's situate everything and start setting up the frame with shimmer wall. So these are the boxes with the part of my shimmer wall. These are the panels that I got on Amazon, and I'm gonna be honest with you, this is not the best quality panels. There are panels that you can actually snap together and the wall will be ready in no time. With my panels, I have to use zip ties and connect them together with zip ties, which is going to take a little bit more time. This is the wall that I was dropping a few times when I was setting this up. 2 or 3 times. I will link that video in the description under this video. If you want to laugh and see my struggle with this wall the first time, check the video out. panels kind of situated. They're hanging in 3 rows. This is exactly what I wanted. I will move them, I will adjust them a little bit later. Let's deal with balloons. So to cover my stands from my frame, I am simply feeding a cluster of balloons on my stand and locking this stand by crisscrossing 2 balloons. Just like that. Fix it a little bit and voila. So now I am going to be doing this all the way up and down to cover everything, and I'm going to fill in gaps between my panels as well. Sections, bigger gaps are filled with balloons. I really like where it's going. I didn't know for sure how it's going to look when I first had this idea in my mind, but I am actually liking this. I will be grabbing my extra clusters of balloons and I will be filling in bigger gaps on my backdrop with balloons by tying balloons by the necks of balloons from the garlands over here. So let's do that first. Five-inch balloons. I am simply grabbing one color and tying quads together to create clusters of 5-inch balloons. Instead of long garlands, I want to have like bunches of same colors. So just keep tying everywhere in random spots until you're happy with the size. I'm still not too happy with all the gaps that I have. Maybe I would have to inflate more 11-inch balloons and go from the back to close the empty spaces. We'll see, but I will be attaching my 5-inch with a rubber band simply on my balloon and going to the spot where it needs to be. I am trying to grab an opposite color from the balloons that is closest to the gap, and I don't think yellow is a good idea because there's yellow, so something different, probably pink. Alright, you guys, so these are my final thoughts. I thought final thoughts in this video are needed because I needed to tell you what I think about this experiment of having rows of panels and gaps with balloons. How did that work out? It worked out, as you can see, absolutely stunning. I absolutely love what I have here. At first, again, I wasn't sure, like always, like what is gonna happen, how it's gonna look, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. I can tell you this, that I will be using this method of just having rows of panels again, and I will fill in gaps with balloons, maybe in a different form, not just going down, maybe like having panels right here, maybe like cube sort of a thing. It's actually a good idea, you guys. I'm like getting inspired right now. But I will be definitely playing more around with shimmer panels and create beautiful things out of it. As you can see right here, you can see a few gaps, and honestly, I am not mad at these gaps whatsoever. They kind of go here. They go really, really good. You don't really notice them. Those gaps kind of give this setup a little bit of a flow, of a not overstuffed look, in my opinion. I don't know, love it, not mad at them at all. Also, working with rows of panels, you need to be mindful where you put your balloons, how close you push them to the panels. Make sure that the balloons from the bag are not pushing balloons forward, or vice versa, from front to the back. I mean, you still can see that the panels are not hanging completely straight. Some of the panels are tilted a little bit, maybe like curved a little bit, but it's absolutely not as noticeable. If you're going to be like standing with rulers and levelers to, you know, see if it's level, then yes, you will be able to tell. Other than that, it looks wonderful. All the flowers are from different places: Amazon, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. I just bought everything throughout the time, with time, because I would not be able to afford all these flowers at once. Artificial flowers are expensive, and I do find some really good dupes on Amazon. I will try to link some of them in the description under the video. Whatever I bought from Amazon, it will be linked. Other than that, check out Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Also, this little rug over here, you guys, this is a rug that I bought to use for one of the videos for a backdrop, and it looked absolutely stunning. I will link a video where I use this rug as a backdrop in the description under the video. Check it out, you won't be disappointed. This chair, also from Amazon, I will try to find exactly the same link where I got it. I hope it's available. And this little vase sort of a thing came from Home Goods. All right, you guys, everything will be linked and listed, and I hope you enjoyed this video. One more thing. Forgot to tell you how I hung these rows of shimmer panels. I just simply grabbed bigger size zip ties. There are holes in the back of the panels, and you can string your zip ties through and simply tie it to the backdrop top bar. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. They always help. They help more than you think. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.